Okay, start.
Huh.
Come this side. Hey.
Mm.
Happy birthday to you.
Sarang sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Bhumi. Happy birthday to you.
Enough. Only one piece is enough.
Yeah.
You want to give anybody? I can
Oh,
hold
does
it.
that have peanuts? Maybe. It has
No, it has
peanuts. I can't
walnuts.
have it.
It's not
Oh,
peanut.
wow.
It's walnut. It's not peanut.
Sure?
Yeah.
Oh, I won't do anyone here.
Okay, take the thing and
Wait,
give.
wait. What are you doing?
Hey, don't do that! Don't do that! Don't do that! Poor thing.
No, my beautiful face. No. Sitting
Hey,
It's
hey.
your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. I swear that's fine. I've had. Oh my god!
Amma, the ice cream cake will melt.
Please.
Ah.
Thank you.
Okay, done.
You're doing it on me.
Mama, careful.
No.
Enough.
At least
Enough.
Teacher, it's her birthday, teacher.
Don't smear her face. No, she's come beautifully dressed.
She can wash it out. No.
No, you feed her with a spoon.
Okay.
Done.
Open your mouth, Anu. No. Open your mouth.
Don't fall.
Stop leaning back. Anu, it's your birthday. Not that birthday. I shouldn't have. Birthday.
It's okay, leave it.
Leave.
Venamma, honey, she doesn't
Are you
want.
supposed to show respect to Gandhiji?
Why?
Come. Give it to me. No.
That was a mistake.
No, it's your birthday.
Ma, Venamma, Vadamma, she doesn't want. Don't do. No, ma. Leave it, honey.
Yeah.
You can feed her cake
Thank you.
if you want.
We are having difficulty with